Welcome to Auto Show, your go-to destination for the latest in car news, reviews, and everything on four wheels. Whether you're into cutting-edge electric vehicles or rugged off-road machines, we bring you all the updates from the auto industry. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Transporter SUV. That's right, the name Transporter has long been associated with vans and commercial vehicles, but for 2026, Volkswagen is flipping the script and turning the Transporter into something more lifestyle-focused. What we're looking at is a practical, tech-laden, family-friendly SUV that still carries the DNA of its cargo-hauling predecessor. Volkswagen is stepping into new territory with this model. The idea behind the 2026 Transporter SUV is to combine the spaciousness of a van with the driving comfort and design appeal of a modern SUV. Think of it as a cross between the classic Transporter van and the current Tiguan or Atlas, but with its own personality. The design is unmistakably Volkswagen. Up front, it features a wide grille with integrated LED headlamps and a horizontal light bar that stretches across the face of the vehicle. The proportions are bold and boxy, staying true to its van roots, but with refined body lines and sporty accents that give it a modern and premium look. The side profile is tall and commanding, offering excellent visibility and presence on the road. It rides on 19 to 21-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim, and comes with roof rails and rugged black body cladding to emphasize its SUV intentions. Step inside and you're met with a cabin that's both versatile and high-tech. Volkswagen has clearly focused on maximizing space. There are 3 rows of seating, offering either a 6 or 7 passenger layout, and the interior feels roomy enough for large families or road trip enthusiasts. The materials are a mix of soft-touch plastics, brushed aluminum, and optional leather upholstery on higher trims. At the center of the dashboard is a 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by VW's latest software interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and there's a fully digital 10.25-inch driver's display that can be customized with maps, media, and vehicle info. The second and third rows can be folded completely flat, providing up to 2,400 liters of cargo space, almost van-like practicality. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2026 Volkswagen Transporter SUV will be available with a range of powertrains depending on the market. The base engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 that produces 204 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox and comes standard with front-wheel drive. An all-wheel drive version is also available, ideal for those who need more traction in tough weather or plan to take it off-road. For those wanting more power, there's also a 2.0-liter bi-turbo diesel variant producing 245 horsepower and a strong 500 Nm of torque. This version is geared toward customers who value torque and towing capabilities. It's a great option for those planning to use the Transporter for both family and work. Volkswagen is also planning a plug-in hybrid model that will combine a 1.4-liter TSI petrol engine with an electric motor. Together, they produce a combined output of around 272 horsepower. This version will offer an electric-only range of about 60 kilometers, perfect for short commutes or errands in the city without burning any fuel. In terms of performance, the petrol model goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 8.5 seconds, while the diesel version does it in 7.9 seconds. The plug-in hybrid is slightly quicker, hitting the same mark in 7.5 seconds thanks to the instant torque from the electric motor. On the safety and assistance side, the 2026 Transporter SUV doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with VW's IQ Drive suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera. It also features an optional semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising, which can handle steering, acceleration, and braking under certain conditions. Now let's get into pricing. In Europe, the base 2.0 TSI petrol model starts at approximately €43,000, while the diesel variant begins at €47,000. The all-wheel drive and plug-in hybrid trims can push the price up to around €55,000, depending on the features and packages selected. For markets outside Europe, especially in the UK and Australia, the pricing is expected to reflect local taxes and trim availability but should be within a similar range when converted. The 2026 Transporter SUV is expected to hit showrooms by the end of this year, with pre-orders already open in select countries. Volkswagen is targeting both families looking for a spacious, reliable daily driver and business owners who need a capable vehicle with passenger flexibility. So what does this mean for Volkswagen as a brand? It shows they're willing to adapt iconic names like the Transporter into new formats that meet modern demands. This SUV version doesn't just recycle a badge, it reinterprets it in a way that makes sense in today's crossover-dominated market. Whether you're a longtime fan of the VW Transporter or just looking for a spacious SUV with great technology, multiple powertrains, and flexible interior space, the 2026 Transporter SUV is shaping up to be one of the most versatile vehicles in its class. That's all for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Transporter SUV. Is it a smart move by Volkswagen or do you prefer the original van style? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Auto Show, and hit the bell icon for more weekly automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.